first visited the San Luis Valley in the summer of 1969, and I think I can honestly say my life has not been the same since.
It's simply a crown jewel of Colorado.
Habitat for thousands of elk, hundreds of black bear, hundreds of bighorn sheep, mountain lion to boot. It is one of the most biologically diverse places in not just Colorado, but the entire West. There are many threats in the San Luis Valley, just like all across Colorado. In general, inappropriate development.
We've really got a concern over the proposal of the transmission line and its impact on these lands that were really supposed to be set aside forever. The transmission line is actually a 145 to 150 mile line from Alamosa over Levita Pass to Walsenburg. There's no doubt that that transmission line is going to have a negative impact on those areas that we have protected with conservation easements.
I am a big advocate of renewable energy, wind energy, solar energy, which is so useful in the San Luis Valley. But it must be done right and not expediently in a way that compromises all of these other values, economic and environmental.
Colorado Lands holds 20 conservation easements, not just Trinchera, but 19 others in the study area for that transmission line.
But there is a better way, I'm convinced, in the San Luis Valley, and that is to use the existing corridor that goes to the north over Poncha Pass, a corridor already visually impaired.
The first alternative is to study all the alternatives. There's a number of alternatives that were identified prior to the public proposal for the Levita Pass transmission corridor.
What a shame it would be to lose this natural treasure in Colorado. There's a better way. Let's take the power line north.